The other components which will help in improving the design or appearance of our website are pages, posts, categories, tags, menus, and widgets. So one by one, let's have a look at what is the difference between them. First is page or post. They both are almost similar, but there are few differences between the two. Posts are listed in reverse chronological order, whereas pages are static and timeless. Therefore, they are not. Second difference, posts are time sensitive, whereas pages are not time sensitive. They are categorized through categories. Posts are sorted by categories, tags, dates, and authors, whereas pages are only visible and accessible by manual linking in your menu bar or different places where you have placed the link. Post can be accessed from multiple places within your website, whereas pages doesn't. Post can be found in a RSS feed, pages cannot be found in RSS feeds. A blog post cannot be used as a home page, whereas a page can be used as a. Now let's see what exactly it means. Here you see two options, post and page. So let me open one by one each one of them and then show you the difference. So first let's see what is a post and how it works, how to create it. So I click on post and all post. So here you can see all the posts which are there on my website. So how to add them? It's very simple. Add new, and if you want to edit the earlier one which is existing, you can do it from. So I will edit right now. So click on edit. It's very similar the way you work in your Microsoft Word. Similarly, you work here in this WordPress platform in terms of content placement and writing. Like here I have to write the headline, so they have given an option of title, so where I can place my title of that particular blog on which I am writing the whole content. And then the content, if I want to make it bold, there is an option italic, make bullet points, listed points with order 1 2 3 number listed, double quotes which I want to put, I want to align the content left, right, center. I want to place a link, unlink that. This is insert mode. After that, you want to show that article read mode. So this tag is used. Proofreading, they will read out the content and verify. This is a toggle through which you get these options like this. If you see. This is undo, redo, increasing indent, decreasing intent, signs you can introduce special characters like this, clear formatting if you have source formatting something different, paste as text, just only text, you do not have to place the whole formats along with them. Text colors you can change, horizontal line and strike through your content. These are the all options which are available in this. And then you want to make this post as a standard format, aside, image, video, quote, or link, whatever type of content you're writing based on that. That is a post. But if you look at page, let me open it. There again you have an option on the top that is add new. If I click on that, they have all the same options. A text editor, you can put content, enter the title, same editing options, everything is same. But the difference is type of format. Here is no type of format. Okay, this post pages doesn't have. If you look at, they have tags and categories. There is no tag or category for them. Clear? These are the major differences. Whereas if I preview my blog of my website, let's go to that. Okay, this is a blog. All my blogs posts are arranged in a date, decreasing dates. Whereas if I go on my pages, like I go on my home page, it is not arranged like that. Every different page has a different option. That is the difference between a blog and a page. Second thing, a page can be used as a home page. That means the first screen. Okay, the first screen of your page is this. But a post cannot be used as a home page. So that are the basic difference, and this is the way how we can use it. So you can create pages. Let me show you how to create it. Like I have a content written somewhere, so I copy that content, paste it there. Headline also. If you have a word file, your content writer is writing it, you can do that. If you want to add images into it, click wherever you want to add on the top. Click on this, add media, and then add whichever file you want to add. Let's say you want to add this certification. It's not. Okay. You want to place this image in center. Alignment. Size you want to edit. It's a medium size. You want full size, custom size, whatever. It's a full size. Okay. And preview it. Why we are previewing? Because we want to see how this page will appear. If you want to make changes, you can make changes here. And if you're satisfied with all the changes, then publish this page. Similar is in the case of the differences in terms of terminology as used, where you are going to use. Generally, for updating content, giving industry news, we use blog post, and for creating different pages of our website like contact us, about us, product pages, we use pages actually instead of blog posts. Their uses are different, so they are used at different places. So guys, this is the second component of your website. See you guys in our next